These half-ton-sized swimmers have been around for more than 100 million years, but the longevity of the world's largest sea turtle is in jeopardy. Leatherback turtles are critically endangered. Populations have crashed in the tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. But in the Atlantic, the future looks brighter, especially along the Central African coast. An international team has completed the first comprehensive survey of leatherback nest sites along the coast of Gabon. Led by the University of Exeter, with support from the Wildlife Conservation Society, World Wildlife Fund, and other partners, researchers found that Gabon's beaches harbor anywhere from 15,000 to 41,000 nesting females.
This is really remarkable because we never really knew how big this population was. And through these surveys that we've undertaken, we now know that this is the largest known concentration of nesting females for leatherback turtles in the entire world.
Researchers flew the entire coast of Gabon, roughly the size of Florida's Atlantic coast. Leatherbacks leave distinctive trails in the sand, making it possible to track their nesting behavior from the air. The sheer number of nesting turtles wasn't the only good news. Researchers found 79% of nests fell within protected nature reserves established by Gabon's government.
It gives us hope that the conservation measures that WCS and other partners, along with the governor of Gabon, are taking in Gabon can help protect and save sea turtles.
Now the challenge is to ensure those areas are managed in a way that will protect sea turtles from poaching, pollution, and habitat degradation. Turtles also need help offshore, where they face threats from trawler and longline fishing. Leatherbacks get entangled in fishing lines and hooks, which can be deadly. Climate change could also put turtles at risk. As sea levels rise, nesting beaches could shrink. And temperature fluctuations can alter the sex of leatherback populations. During incubation, a 1-degree difference determines whether hatchlings develop into males or females.
And it's critical because now that we know that this is the largest and most important nesting beach in the world, we have to be addressing all these threats, both in the protected areas and outside the protected areas.
For Assignment Earth, I'm Gary Stryker.